Hello there. So you want to know how you can record an indoor workout on Strava? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open your Strava application. Make sure that you've already connected with your Apple device or any kind of device that helps monitor your health conscious or stuff like that, right? And now all you want to do is head into you right over here on the bottom right, tap on the plus icon, and then you can simply go ahead and add your manual activity right over here when it comes to doing stuff like exercises at home. So you can simply go ahead and add any of those selecting right here. So there's HIIT workout, Pilates, and stuff like that. You could also record it from the record option and then select on over here what you're manually doing right over here. So for example, it could be weight training, and then you could simply go ahead and start it and make sure you add your sensors to it. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button.